Okay guys, we're back again here with South Texas Votech in the city of Weslaco, named trusted in the Rio Grande Valley. And I'm here with Arnold, who is a program director for their Combination Welding program, which is something that is very fascinating, something you can complete in 10.5 months. Somebody's life can change here. Tell me a little bit of what you offer, because combination welding, as you were telling me, is something that offers a little bit of everything that you need for welding.
Exactly. We have 4 different processes that we key on, which is stick, SMAW, regular stick welding. We have MIG, GMAW, which is a wire fed solid core wire. We have flux, FCAW, which is a hollow wire with a little bit of flux inside of it to solidify the weld a little bit better. And we have GTAW, which is TIG. That's your tungsten and your filler wire. Usually we use it mostly on pipe, process piping for all the roots, stuff like that.
Now, something I want to talk about is, you mentioned to me that you guys get them ready for their career. You guys talk with, these individuals who are going to be hiring them.
Yeah, we work with a lot of different employers out there, whether it's petrochemical, whether it's shipyards, fabrication shops. And towards the end of the program, we have a chance to talk to the students. We work real close with our career services department to get the students geared for different employers where they want to go. And we know about their weld test, so we get them geared for their weld test so that they are able to pass their weld test. Once they're in there, we have to remember this is a entry-level position, right? But with the 10.5 months, we get them more than ready, get them inside the door.
Certifications,
NCCER certifications. Yeah. So that's why a lot of our employers like our graduates. Based on the work ethic we instilled in them, the basic foundation knowledge of welding and safety. Safety is very important also. So that's why they come and they get a lot of our students here. We have flexibility schedules. We start classes every 5 weeks. We have both ground classes and evening classes. Hybrid classes are in the evening to make sure that we can work with any individual schedule. The other thing we have is the flexibility of tutoring. Even though they're hybrid students, during their hybrid days, if they need to come and work on their lab, work on their welding processes, they're more than welcome to come in here, put the time in the welding lab. That way they get all the welding processes, all their, develop their techniques as best as we can.
Now, I want to talk about something that has been mentioned to me several times, the Weld Wars.
Oh, that's coming March 28th. Don't forget that, Weld Wars, March 28th. And that's a welding high school competition that we have with a bunch of high schools around the valley. CTA departments, they come in here, we have different competitions we have for them. And we really do this to expose not only the students, high school students, to what's out there, but also to expose the employers, get the employers to know, hey, there's a lot of talent here in the valley.
Yeah.
We've even had students that are high school students, they came to Weld Wars. A lot of these employers just saw the talent in these high school guys, and they ended up hiring them upon graduation.
If you guys are interested in applying, how can they come in and reach out?
Hey, just come in with front doors. Our admissions departments are always more than welcome to get you guys in here. They'll give you a tour of our shop. They'll give you a tour of the other programs. Don't forget about the other programs, but hey, all they have to do is walk in the doors.
Awesome. Well, for Take 5, I'm Joe DeLeon.